Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off two-factor authentication on Instagram. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Two-factor authentication is popular identity confirmation method for a variety of web page and online apps. It is an additional layer of security that protects you and your account from imposters. On my previous video, I have shown you how to turn on this feature. But what if you want to turn off this feature? Maybe for some reason you want to turn off this feature. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can just tap on your profile. You can tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. Tap on Account Center. You can scroll down, choose Password and Security. There is an option Two-Factor Authentication. You can just tap on that. Just on the account that you want to disable the two-factor authentication. Here, as you can see, my two-factor authentication is on. If you want to turn this off, you can just tap on here. Tap on the method, how you log in. You can tap on the toggle on here to turn off. If you turn off two-factor authentication, your account will no longer have an extra layer of protection. You can just tap on turn off. And now your two-factor authentication has been disabled. So simple, right? So that is how to turn off two-factor authentication on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!